Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a moment to highlight that registration is now open for OpenText World 2022, running October 4th to 6th. It's a hybrid event and the world's largest information management conference. And a series of videos, I'm highlighting a personal why about why to attend. My first being an incredible keynote opportunity from Alex Honnold, who's the first person to free climb solo our Capitan, incredible, and the founder of the Honnold Foundation. This for me was inspiration personified, really. I think with the rate and scale of digital change we're seeing right across the world, affecting hybrid work, modern supply chains, converged technology, integrated machines, information security, sustainability, ESG, you name it. I think the list could go on and on. We've never seen, I think, so many vectors of change. So I think this leadership and agility, this really novel perspective, will give new insights and new value. I always think that innovation from one area can greatly benefit another and bring new creativity. So I can't wait to hear that and be part of it. So I hope you can join me too. October 4th to 6th. Join us for OpenText World 2022. See you there.